Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you all are fine and you are enjoying the winter season. Today I will show you how you can blend video in a single click. Let's start our video, and as usual I request you to subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos, and also give comments on my videos so that I can improve my videos further. Click on videos, select resolution 1920 by 1080. Any video, whatever you want. Here is the video. Photos. Here is the flag. Go to apps. Search here image blender. Image blender, blend image. I have chosen. Now go to apps and select image blender. Blend selected image. Okay. Now you can set the direction. You can select radial, you can select linear, strength, more or less, like this. If you reduce the strength like this, and here is like this. Save. Look, this is our final result. This is our final results. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Allah Hafiz till my next video.